Every day, healthcare professionals work tirelessly to deliver safe, high quality care. Yet, many patients leave healthcare facilities with unanswered questions, incomplete understanding, and uncertainty about their treatment. When communication gaps persist, patient safety can suffer. The challenge is not just delivering care, it is ensuring patients understand and follow through with that care. According to the World Health Organization, 1 in 10 patients experience harm during hospitalization, while 4 in 10 are harmed in outpatient care. Many of these incidents are linked not only to clinical factors but also to missed symptoms, incomplete information, misunderstanding of instructions, poor follow-up, and lack of patient involvement. At the same time, healthcare providers face increasing workloads, staffing pressures, documentation requirements, and rising patient expectations. Clinicians cannot reduce avoidable harm alone. Patients must become active partners in care. Patients for Patient Safety Foundation was established to enhance patient safety and reduce avoidable medical harm through active involvement of patients, families, communities, and healthcare providers. Through our Leader in Patient Empowerment initiative, more than 1,100 hospitals and over 35,000 healthcare professionals are benefiting from practical patient engagement solutions. Every week, we provide ready-to-use newsletters, posters, videos, patient safety tips, WhatsApp messages, and engagement toolkits that hospitals can easily share with staff, patients, and caregivers. Our Safe Health Library provides expert-validated patient education resources covering preventive care, chronic conditions, hospital care, medication safety, and home care. Available in multiple formats and regional languages, these resources simplify complex medical information and support informed decision-making. Our materials are reviewed by healthcare experts, incorporate patient perspectives, and have been assessed using internationally recognized health literacy principles, including the AHRQP-EMAT framework. Our Patient Partnership Toolkit helps hospitals engage patients throughout the care journey, from OPD visits and admission to treatment, discharge, and follow-up. Our Patient Advisory Council framework helps organizations capture patient insights and strengthen two-way communication. And our patient-friendly hospital standards complement accreditation by promoting communication, empathy, dignity, understanding, and patient involvement. Our tools are designed to make patient engagement easier, more consistent, and more scalable. We provide guidance on where and how to display educational resources across key patient touchpoints, including OPDs, waiting areas, wards, pharmacies, discharge lounges, websites, WhatsApp groups, and digital screens. This helps reduce repetitive counseling, improve patient preparedness and treatment adherence, strengthen communication, and support safer care delivery. The result is informed patients, stronger trust, better outcomes, and a better healthcare experience for both providers and patients. Accreditation helps ensure systems are in place. Patient engagement helps ensure those systems work for the people they serve. Patient safety cannot be achieved alone. It requires partnership. We invite you to join us in building a healthcare system where every patient is informed, involved, and empowered. Connect with us to explore collaboration opportunities and patient engagement solutions for your organization.